This video is for those teachers that have spent the time to make the perfect lesson, made all the resources, set up the room, and then came to class with all the enthusiasm that they could rally.
You just sit back and enjoy the magic of rock!
All to have your lesson fall flat on its face.
What kind of a sick school is this?
This is for the teachers whose students come to class late, talk the entire period, can't seem to transition from one activity to another, and then ask for extra time to do an assignment that should have been finished in class. For those with huge classes and not enough time in a period to manage behavior, connect with students, and teach a lesson. For those teachers in schools, we have created the Student Engagement 101 workshop. We want to help you create lessons that will have students wanting to come to your class. Create smooth and effective classroom transitions. Turn student apathy into student activity. Significantly increase the amount of work students are turning in on a daily basis. And refocus talkative students so that they are tuning in to what is going on in class. So if you and your school are struggling with any of these areas, please join us for our Student Engagement 101 workshop. The workshop's happening on Saturday, November 5th at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And if you can't make the live broadcast, don't sweat it, because we've got you covered. The link you receive at sign up will be good for 30 days, so you can watch it and rewatch it.
Again and again. And again.
Look, more than anything here at Real Rap with Reynolds, we want you to be the teacher that you dreamed of becoming when you started teaching. And we realize that at this moment, that might feel like a million miles away. But I'm here to tell you from personal experience that it's much closer than you think. So please join us November 5th for the Student Engagement 101 workshop as we help you to teach in the classroom you've always wanted to teach in. Peace.